Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Kongkel Sangma hagan opai sngi jong ke hinyau terik uyayong arajar arpusan ulawan hiar syamadan waking jaya ban sakhi lang ye ke sngi penkut ye ke syat suk mensem ke balai sngi jong ke seng kasi kemi mentau snem hagan ikan opai sngi nalor Menteri Rangba lawan ban sakhi ru lengba ke jingye shim bentalang jong ke Menteri Sorkar Jela nadu ba preston tensong sembut Menteri Rangba Uba Paul Lingdo, Menteri Ketenat Jengok Kai Perthai, ke Dr. Maisel Amperin Lingdo, Menteri Ketenat Kekot Kekhia, ki MLA ki Bakin Top Uba Arden Miller Basayo Moj, Uba Adelbert Nongrum, ki MDC Lembat Kiwai Pan. Sheshu Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon MP ke Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ru lawan banyadon lang nalor ki aim na ki hima bapher ki bakhrau bateri ki nongelam na ki senraj lembat ki pajba belin Kamtam ki bedang bat kso ya kan nyam tenrai nyam tri. Hagani ka sngi syat penkut ya ka syat suk mensim ka penlong mentau snem lawan banya shim benta da ki shihajar samspa khat nyongut ki nong syat ki bakin thop ya praspa alai pongut ki shinrang bat henreu spa prapu nyongut ki kintei. Ya ki kenrem ki lendan hagani ka sngi la pedang sngubha da uba PD nongrum bat uba DL nongbri ki badagi Vice President ka seng khasi keme harengkat ki nongkit kam na kaliang ki rangba ki long keme bat ki samlaru kumju.
Kani ka digi selamat jong kari ba ka cai nang reo lingba kitu ki jikeng ki jingdeng ki jingsien mo la ka long ha ka nong shat kan thai la ka long ha unong shat chinrang hang to hi la sain la tia ya ki bai dei ba ka dei ti da ka shim ha ka kan tien ka bakia la ni ka banya su tho ba ka kamram la ka long yiking thai ru kum jo la ki shinrang kum jo hang to la sai la tia Bat halor kata ka deiti jong ki kentai bat halor kata ka deiti jong ki senrang kabla pengam penkit ha kitu ki Mariam Shah mo hang to hi la sakhi ya ka kor ke burom jong ibu kasih
Haba keren cikilat pathai khubor na kaliang Menteri Rangba uloong ban namar ba ubnai yong umdai ubnai ubabha kumta yo mau nongrim ban tei ki Indigenous Cultural Center ka bakhat san klur tengka an saple ha ubnai jemang uban wan bat ka jingthmu ka long ban penne pensa ki riti ki dostor ki culture jong ki jaj ben reu lo merit pan Shesho lo ong bo ang not ban yakren bat ka seng khasi kmi na ka benta ban penbit penbiang ya ka madan waking kum ka jaka song pet kai bat ki wei pat ha ki saudong sau kun jong ka ni ka madan.
Yes, as we have always stated that the cultural aspect of our traditions needs to be preserved and needs to be promoted, and it is in line with that thought process that we are having the Indigenous Cultural Center. Approximately about 15 crores has been sanctioned for it, and by next month we should be laying the foundation. We thought we'll late this month itself, but as we all know that April is not a very auspicious month, and so we'll be doing it in the month of May. But we're very happy. It's been a long pending demand from our community of the Sengkhasi to have this cultural center, and I'm happy that finally we're able to do this. And it's not just here. For many other communities, we are supporting and putting up different cultural centers, from larger ones to even a small centers. Like recently I was in Karbi area, and there also I have announced 50 lakhs for their cultural center. I have given the Raba community also, the Koch, Hajong community. So different communities that are there which are working towards preserving their culture. The government is more than happy to support and work with them in their endeavor to preserve the culture of the people of our state.
The building will be renovated.
No, this is a new project altogether. There might be some parts of renovation also, but there's a new project altogether. We want it to be very interactive. We want it to be very technology based. So I hope that it will become a good project. But at the same time, I have my personal opinion is that even this field, the wedding field, has to be also renovated. I feel that this has got its own significance, and a lot of tourists are coming here. So therefore, the sitting areas can be easily expanded, and more space can be created for the people who are participating in the dance. And so this is again something that I'm very keen to work on, and I will be speaking to the members in the organizing committee to help us and work together so that we can improve the overall infrastructure here in this wedding field also.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.